Don't say, you start.
Say, take the lead.
Don't say, I think so.
Say, I'm confident about it.
Don't say, you decide.
Say, your call.
Don't say, can I help?
Say, I'll handle it.
Don't say, you first.
Say, after you.
Don't say, I don't know.
Say, I'll find out.
Don't say, show me.
Say, walk me through it.
Don't say, maybe later.
Say, I'll get to it soon.
Don't say, go ahead.
Say, whenever you're ready.
Don't say, it's fine.
Say, it works for me.
Don't say, I'm trying.
Say, I'll make it happen.
Don't say, I'm not sure.
Say, let me clarify.
Don't say, I guess so.
Say, I'm certain.
Don't say, it might be possible.
Say, it is possible.
Don't say, I'll try to be there.
Say, I'll be there.
Don't say, I'll try my best.
Say, I'll get it done.
Don't say, I'm not ready.
Say, I'll prepare and step in.
Don't say, I'll see what I can do.
Say, consider it done.
Don't say, I'll think about it.
Say, I'll consider it and decide.
Don't say, I hope it works.
Say, it will work.